Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I will create fantastic composition of minced pork, pasta and veggies in Mexican style. Chipotle and jalapeno peppers will give that hot magic to this dish. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. First step, classic oil goes on the frying pan. Now salt, pepper, and minced meat is landing in my favorite casserole. Onion and red pepper is landing on the pan. After 7-8 minutes, add zucchini. Salt, freshly ground pepper, corn and red beans are landing in the casserole. Now jalapeno and chipotle. It will be hot. Time to check pasta. Al dente, perfect. Now pasta goes to the casserole. Green beans are landing in the same water. Time to check green beans. Perfect. It took 5-6 minutes, something like this. Okay, to the casserole. Last ingredient, cream 18%. Time to serve this magical dish. Extremely delicious Mexican dish is landing on the table. And it's not raining now. No, it is not raining.